blizzards. The Great White Hurricane. On a March Sunday in 1888, rain fell across the northeast coast of the United States. The temperature dropped quickly as night fell. The rain turned to ice, then to snow. By Monday morning, howling winds wiped the falling snow into huge drifts. The Great White Hurricane lasted 3 days and buried the cities of Boston and New York. When the storm was over, more than 400 people had died. The blizzard of 1888 had caused millions of dollars in damage. Ships at sea were sank. Trains were frozen to their tracks, and roads were closed with snow several stories high. It would be well into the summer before the last of the snow would melt. Extreme storm. Since the blizzard of 1888, there have been many big snowstorms in the United States. Only some, however, were blizzards. It takes 3 things to make a blizzard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold in a blizzard. Winds blow steadily at more than 30 miles even per hour. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 75 miles per hour or more. The strong gales carry flying snow and pick up snow already on the ground. The air becomes a spinning cloud of white, making it difficult to see. This is known as a whiteout. In a whiteout, no one can see anything more than a quarter of a mile away. Safe travel is nearly impossible. The beating winds also make chilly air feel even colder than it really is. Blowing gulls create something called wind chill. Wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. It feels like it is in air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze. led, leading to a painful condition known as frostbite. Birth of a blizzard. Blizzards start as snowstorm. Most warm air meets Most warm air meets cold air, forming clouds. The moisture in this clouds freezes into flakes. If the air near the ground is cool enough, the flakes fall as soon as snow. Snow systems have lower air pressure than a clear skies around them. This difference in the air pollution causes air to move and create wind. The greater the pressure difference, the stronger the wind. Blizzards usually form on the side of the snowstorm where the pressure difference is greatest. Blizzard country. Blizzard can happen anywhere there is snow, but some places are more likely to have them than others. The East Coast of the United States is one such place. In winter, cold air sometimes sweeps down from Canada. The cold northeastern air meets warm, moist air flowing up from the south. This forms a storm called a nor'easter. A nor'easter can last for several days and makes a lot of snow. Sometimes a fast-moving snowstorm begins in Canada's western mountains. It then travels east across the American plains toward the coast. This type of storm is called an Alberta clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead for their strong winds, a bitter cold. Many of North America's blizzards start out as nor'easters or Alberta clippers. Blizzards don't just happen in North America though. Parts parts of Asia may have powerful blizzards that last for days. Northeast Russia experiences bitter cold and strong winds in winter. In December 10, 2014, it had its worst blizzard in years. Icy cold winds spread more than a foot of snow across the land. Being prepared and staying safe. The mix of wind, snow, and cold makes a blizzard very dangerous. The wind chill and low temperature can make flesh freeze. Swirling snow makes it hard to see and can lead to accidents. Blowing snow makes it hard for road crews to clear highways. Wind gusts may also knock down trees and power lines. People can find themselves in a dark, struggling to stay warm. Unlike years ago, it is no easier. Blizzards will strike. Today people have time to prepare. They can make sure they have batteries and flashlights in case of a power lose. Families can stock up on food and water. They can also figure out other ways to keep warm, such as using fireplaces or wood stoves. Once they are prepared, people should still in and wait out the storm. Those who must go out should make sure they are dressed warmly. Even then, people should not stay out for very long. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. When the storm ends, people can then safely head outside to enjoy the snow it left behind.